I want to turn now to the latest on the coronavirus emergency. You are looking at the faces of the nearly 200,000 American lives lost to the virus. The Washington National Cathedral marking the solemn occasion by tolling its bell 200 times, once for every 1,000 lives.
This morning, the U.S. nearing that grim milestone, nearly 200,000 deaths from COVID-19, all lost in the last 7 months. The virus targeting victims of all ages, genders, and races. ABC News learning more information about some of those lost lives. More men succumbing than women, the majority of deaths over 65 years old. And roughly 40% of all fatalities linked to long-term care facilities. Some healthcare workers even paying the ultimate price while trying to save others. The Guardian and Kaiser Health reporting that nearly 1,200 frontline workers between the ages of 20 and 80 have lost their lives to the virus or complications from it. Dr. Rebecca Shadowin, an infectious disease specialist in Kentucky, one of them. The 62-year-old just lost her battle with COVID after a 4-month struggle.
Even to the day she died, she championed the message of wearing your mask in public.
In Houston, Dr. Adeline Fagan started experiencing flu-like symptoms in July.
We thought she'd be coming home to us.
But the OBGYN resident physician who also treated COVID patients in the ER died after a 2-month fight. She was just 28 years old. According to the COVID Tracking Project, nearly 29,000 people are currently hospitalized, the lowest number since June. But 3 states, Montana, Hawaii, and West Virginia, are setting new records for deaths. Doctors now bracing for a possible surge this winter.
As a physician, I'm still stressed out because a lot of things are unknown about this disease process.
Health professionals urging people to maintain social distancing as schools try to balance learning and student safety. And in Massachusetts, a teen and his parents expected to be charged after the teen hosted a party with more than 45 people.
A couple of my peers made some poor decisions, and we're paying the consequences now.
That high school now forced to switch all students to remote learning.
And the World Health Organization saying that Gen Z and millennials are driving the spread of this virus. But it's not because of parties and going to bars, but rather their jobs. Those young people in service jobs are at greater risk of being exposed to this virus. George?
Eva Pilgrim, thanks very much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.